YouTube. Hey man, what's going on? It's your boy Fish back for another one. I ain't gonna lie, bro. I've been slacking with the intro. Like I've been reading my comments. A lot of y'all been saying like what the intro is. I've been slacking on the intro. Whoop. So I'm bringing back the positive energy, man. I'm bringing it back. You know what I'm saying? On today, bro, I ain't gonna lie, it's 6:46. I also been slacking on my videos, bro. Like I've been slacking on my videos. Even my last couple uploads. Like I've been starting recording so late. I just not really haven't been like, I haven't been in that mode, bro. I don't know what it is. I just been all locked out of place. Like I've been all over. Today, well, I've been out all day. I just haven't been recording. But today I'm about to go wash my car. It's not really dirty, but I'm about to wash it anyway. Just cause I get free washes for a month. I pay $30 a month to get a free wash at any time I want. So I can like go through this drive-through car wash like 4 or 5 times a day. Literally, it's like unlimited washes for a month. So I'm about to go and get it washed because it's free. So why not? I'm paying for it. Why not get my car washed? I need to go camera shopping. I seen a camera earlier that I want to get. I low-key don't want to display the camera yet, like to y'all, because I don't want to gatekeep, but like I just don't want to put the camera out there. I just want to wait till I get it and then do a video on it and all that stuff. So I do that. I also gotta like do a little cleaning. My car is still like dirty. It's still like a little junky. I took majority of the stuff out, but I still got a little stuff in here that gotta come out. Like show y'all my back seat. I still got stuff in my back seat that came from my truck. And I was talking to my mom, bro, cause like yes, I stay with my mom still, but the room that I have is like very, very small. And when I came back from overseas, I had like the biggest room in the house, pretty much. But well, yeah, pretty much I had like the biggest room. Like my room's the same size as the master bedroom, pretty much, that I had. And when I left, my little sister, she took the room over, which was fine. And when I got back, I got the smaller room. So all the stuff that I had overseas in the military, when I came back here, I tried to move it all in there. And I did not have no space for a bed or anything inside my room. So I took the bed out my room. And now I just have a couch. And I literally have like my stream set up in there. And that's it. Like I have no bed in that room. So that's really why I have not taken none of this stuff out of my car. Because I have no room to put it inside my actual room without my room looking cluttered. My room already looks cluttered as it is. So like I'm just waiting around to get something sorted out. And then the truck that I normally drive, like y'all know, like I was driving a truck to go to work when I was with Swift, and something is wrong with it, bro. The freaking oil pump went bad or something, so now I gotta get that fixed. So it's just been sitting at home. I have not moved anything because I was just gonna move all my stuff that I had inside the truck that I was in at Swift. I was gonna move all that stuff inside the truck that I like my regular truck that I drive. But since something is wrong with it, I gotta take it to the shop, so I didn't even bother moving all my stuff in there. So I gotta get that fixed, and then I can move all of my belongings back into that truck, so I can start. Once I go with this new company or wherever I'm going, I can just transport it all to this new truck that I go to. But with that being said, man, let's go to this car wash. I need to go to Best Buy. Anyway, I still need to go. Do I need to go? Should I say it? I may say that for tomorrow. I don't know. Let's go to this car wash first. They close at 8 and it is 7, so I will see y'all to get to the car wash.
Heart been broke so many times, I don't know what to believe. Mama say it's my fault, I wear my heart on my sleeve. Niggas best I put my heart on this, cause I can't breathe. I'ma put my heart on this, hard on nice, getting the best of me. While in the cell with Lil Joaquin, after I slapped him, I had told him, don't know how you get down with them clowns, but I'm a soldier. No one could understand.
I'm gonna take it through a wash, and I don't know why people feel the need to always park next to your car, bro. Like, bro, It's all these spaces right here. It's literally like 4 or 5 parking spots right here. This guy comes and literally parks right next to me to clean his car. Like, dude, are you serious? And then he's all close to my car, like hella close. That's like a serious pet peeve, bro. Like, I do not like when people get close to my car. It don't matter what car I'm driving, nice or not. I don't like when they get close. Like, I don't like people park like close to my car, especially if it's hella other parking spots. Like, why are you parking that close? And then not only does he park close when he burnt, but then when he pulls out, he just skirts off. Like, dang, make no sense there, bro. But let's go through this car wash. And yeah, let's get that.
That built over the years from my abandoned adolescence. See, I done been lied to, backstabbed and heartbroken. I wanted to cry, but I was too afraid to open. Praying one day I'll find a peace of mind by the ocean. I spent all my time committing crimes to get closer. While at my nana house, I play the couch, staring at the ceiling, trying not to get in my feelings, thinking of a way I can make these millions. Maybe that'll take this pain away and clear up all these rainy days. Heart been broke so many times, I don't know what to believe. Mama say it's my fault, it's my fault.
All right, y'all, she's all clean. Well, it's crazy that I don't have this car for so long, and I still don't know the gender. Like, I don't know what I don't know if it's a he or a she. But you see my little car, all clean. And the crazy part, I'm probably gonna come back here tomorrow and wash it again because I need to wash my rims, bro. Look at my rims, man. Like, I need to actually take time to clean my rims. And no, I did not scratch my rims. This was like this when I bought it. The person that had it before me scratched it all up. I just never got new rims, so I just left it like this. But let's go run our next errand, man. All right, man, now I'm at Starbucks, and I ain't gonna lie, I'm just doing stuff. But I feel like all my supporters get Starbucks. I don't know why, I just feel like y'all all get Starbucks. I'm about to try and get...
I don't think you're choosing our Starbucks. My name is James. How may I help you, sir?
Yes, sir. What's in that pink drink?
What's in the pink drink?
Yeah.
It's our strawberry acai base, so whatever goes, the strawberry acai lemonade with water, whatnot. It's basically our strawberry acai with coconut milk.
Oh no.
Do you know what a strawberry acai is? Or it's like one of our refreshers.
Yeah. Is it pretty good?
I like the pink drink.
Like, would you recommend that over the strawberry lemonade?
It's definitely less sour. It's more, I guess, creamy because it has like the coconut milk in there.
I'm gonna just get the strawberry lemonade.
So you want the strawberry lemonade?
Yeah.
So how much is it, or?
No, I said let me get that.
Oh, you want to get that?
Yes, sir.
What size?
What's the?
What? Small, medium, large.
Let me get large. Light ice.
You want a large light ice?
Yes, sir.
I got you. So would that be all for you today?
Yes, sir. That'd be all.
All right, we'll have you ready at the window then.
Appreciate that. Yeah. Y'all don't be questioning why I got a large. I got a large because, bro, I don't think the price changed. I might as well get a large if I'm already about to spend $5 for a drink. So, like, I might as well pay $6 for a large. That's why I'm coming here to Starbucks. And if my supporters come here, I ain't gonna lie, y'all rich, bro. I'm just tell you like that. If you come to Starbucks every morning, you rich, bro. Cause you spending that money here, for sure. You spending that money. But didn't I say I was going to Best Buy? I really feel like I just gave y'all, like, I really feel like I just had the air blowing in y'all ear the whole time. But I know I said I was going to Best Buy. I don't think I'm gonna go today, bro. Literally because it's already late and I just started. Well, I didn't start my day late. I just started the vlog. Like, bro, I did so much stuff today. I didn't even record. Literally. Like, all I did so far is just wash my car, and that was it. I think I'm probably gonna tomorrow though. I got a dental appointment to get my bottom set of braces, and then I thought about doing a little self-care tomorrow, or I might do it Saturday. Y'all let me know, bro. Should I do self-care tomorrow in tomorrow's video, or should I do it Saturday? Because if I do it Saturday, I'm gonna have way more time. I can get up early, go to the gym, do all that stuff, have a little fun, and you feel like self-care vlog. Or I can do it tomorrow. If I do it tomorrow, it's gonna be very, very, very short. Being at the fact that I got a dental appointment, I'm not sure how long it's gonna take for them to put the bottom set, because it took them a minute to put my top set on. Then they gotta change my top set. They gotta put a tighter wire on there. So I'm not sure how long that's gonna take. It shouldn't take no more than an hour, but still, that's still time that's getting took out of my day for these braces. And then I don't know, bro. I'm gonna figure something out. Y'all let me know. I think my next like solo date vlog or whatever. Since I go bowling so much, I want to change it up, bro. I want to do something that I have not did in a minute. And I'm thinking about going four-wheeler riding. 619? Here you go, boss. I'm thinking about going ATV riding with my GoPro. Y'all let me know what y'all think about that. I think it's like $100. Oh, appreciate that, boss. You too. Oh shoot, I was not prepared for this. I think it's like $100. I think it's $100 just to go riding four-wheelers. So I haven't did that in a minute. But normally when I go four-wheel riding, I go mudding. So that'd be weird for me to get a four-wheeler that I can't go mudding in, because I like to like, and when I mean mudding, I like going going inside like water, bro, like water, like that type of mudding, like actually sinking my four-wheeler in mud and letting it float. Like, I don't know, bro. I feel like, I don't know if you understand what I'm talking about, bro. You gotta be real. You gotta be like, I want to say country, but like you gotta have that country in you to do something like that, because that's literally all I did in the country. But yeah, I'm about to head back to the crib. So let me drive there. When I get back to the crib, I'm gonna chat it up with y'all, and that'll be it for today's video, literally. Yeah, man, now I'm at home. I ain't gonna lie. Like I said, bro, I've been slacking, bro. Like, I'll take that, bro. I've been slacking. I have not been doing what I'm supposed to be doing, bro. Like, I've been slacking, bro. But honestly, bro, although I've been slacking, I feel like it was kind of like much needed, bro. Cause like I've been, like I told you, I've been stressed out, man. Like it's been stuff that's been going on that y'all don't even know about. Cause I don't put, like, as far as like the whole trucking stuff and all that stuff there, I've been putting that out because that's what I've been doing lately. But anything outside of trucking, like stuff I got going on outside of trucking, I have not been talking about. And I really don't even feel the need to really talk about it, honestly, bro. But boy, I've been stressed out. I ain't gonna lie. I've been going day by day, just trying to stay positive. You know what I'm saying, and just keeping my hopes like high and just staying prayed up, bro. Cause yeah, I've been stressed, dog. Like, I've been like really stressed out. And I'm not gonna lie, I was already stressed out before the whole me getting fired and everything. Like I was already stressed out, and I right there just added more fuel to the fire. Like, it's a whole bunch of stuff that I want, like the goals and stuff that I had set for myself when I got out the military. It just have not been going smoothly. You know what I'm saying? Like, again, I'm not, like, I swear, when I say stuff like this, it's gonna be somebody watching. Like somebody, and when I mean somebody watching, I mean like somebody that actually knows me, like knows me in person, like IRL, that's gonna take this video and gonna be like, oh, he's struggling, this and the third. No, I'm not struggling. It's just stuff have not been going as planned. Hold on, my mom calling me, y'all. 1 second. I don't even know what I was saying, but yeah. Oh my, dude, literally, my cousin, like, he gonna have to wait. He gonna have to wait, cause I promised him. I literally promised my cousin I was gonna buy him some VC for his game. I totally forgot, so now I gotta probably go to the store or something to get him some VC. But anyway, like I was saying, yeah, man, no, I'm not struggling, bro. With people that actually know me, no, I'm not struggling. It's just stuff just have not been planned, like going as I planned. Like, I literally just came back from overseas, Germany. I just came back not too long ago. It only been 8 months since I've been back home, and eight out of 8 of those months, 6 of those months I've been driving trucks. So I really been on the go. And I really thought, like, since I started truck driving, I had a whole plan to do my little YouTube and drive the trucks, which I'm doing, you know what I'm saying? And I set goals for myself. Like, I set a goal on YouTube to hit 100K subscribers by the end of the year, which, I ain't gonna lie, that goal is like so far away, bro. It's only 4 months left of the year, and that goal is just so far away. Like, I've been working so hard on YouTube alone, and the goal is just so far, bro. Like, I've been working so hard. Not only that, even with trucking, like, I was expecting, like, bro, I came into trucking even though I was watching other people's videos, I came into trucking like already with the wrong mindset, and I think that's what messed me up in the beginning, because I came into trucking thinking I was gonna make a certain amount of money, just for the simple fact that I came from the military and I'm supposed to be a quote unquote veteran. So I came into the trucking thinking I was gonna get a certain amount of pay from other drivers that did not come from the military, or didn't have no driving experience at all. Which, coming to find out, that was not true. I did not get none of that stuff. Like, I did not get the pay. Like, bro, I was supposed to get, when I was a Swift, I was supposed to get like, when I was OTR, they had told me I was gonna get like 65 cents starting out. I started out with 40 something cent, bro. I didn't even know until I called payroll. Then when I called payroll, they changed me to 50 something cent. I never got the 60 cents, so that right there was already out the window. And I didn't even argue with them, bro, because it was like, you know what, they got me. You know what, they got me. It's the same thing with the military, bro. Same thing with the military with them recruiters. They did me the same way. They talk. They just know how to. They good with their words and how to get people, bro. And I ain't gonna lie, they got me. So that did not go as planned, and it just really kind of just threw me for a loop. But it's like, these are obstacles that I'm facing that I can really get over. You know what I'm saying? Like, I can really get over all these obstacles. It just be stressful, because I am very hard on myself, bro. I don't know if y'all noticed that, but I am very, very, very strict and hard on myself. Like, I put myself in predicaments sometimes that I shouldn't even be put in, but I just put myself in them, because I like to challenge myself. And so I like to just go hard, bro. That's really what I like to do. Like, I don't like to let myself down. Not only myself down, but the people around me. Like, I just like to be at a higher standard, bro. And I be feeling like some of these things like that has been going on lately has just been way below my standard, bro. Like, way below how I carry myself. Like, besides these videos, because on these videos, bro, like, some of these videos, y'all could, like, bro, y'all will never get to know how I actually am in person. Like, in person, real life, y'all never get to know. Like, YouTube and real life is two different things, bro. It's two different things. Like, yes, I'm on here being honest and everything, but in person, the personality and stuff and everything that y'all get on my videos is different from in real life. Like, when these cameras are turned off, it's like, it's a whole different me, bro. Which is crazy to say, but like, it's really a whole different me. Like, I don't even be on no, like, all that, like, complaining and all that stuff that y'all say. It's like, I don't know. I just get inside an actor mode when I'm on YouTube. Like, I know how to keep people entertained, to keep people talking. So I'm just very good at that. And so that's why content creating is perfect for me, because I know how to keep y'all talking. Like, some of these videos that I'm dropping lately, I knew exactly what I was doing. I'm uploading these videos because I know it's gonna keep y'all talking. Like, I'm reading the comments. I already know I'm gonna see 50 million different comments on what I'm not doing, this, that. Like, I already know this stuff. Like, it just comes with knowing what you're doing, bro. And so, I don't know. It's just a little mini rumble session. But it's 8 o'clock, dog. Well, it's 7.
Hey, look, I don't even know if the mic
It's 7:56.
You niggas gonna forever hate me, no matter what talent, no matter what God bless me with, no matter what.
I'm about to
y'all gonna forever hate me. Y'all
I
ain't
got
no
that
money, y'all take
well, it's
so
7. It's 7. It's 7:57. I'm about to go into the crib. I'm about to go inside the house, edit this video. I will see y'all tomorrow. That being said, the boy Fish out. I love y'all. Peace.
AJ keep telling me unleash the beast who been dormant inside, but they come with intensity. V3 side, I know you silent, but they can't out rap you. That's why they keep trying to get rid of